Most car owners slowly damage their cars, not because they don't care, but because they simply don't know the basic things that every car owner should understand, and these small mistakes often turn into big repair bills. Hello everyone, welcome to MotorMinds, a place where we explore cars with logic, passion and clarity. Today, we are looking at 10 most important things that every car owner must know that will not only save your money as well as your engine. The first thing every car owner should do is read the owner's manual. I know most people ignore it, but that small book contains important information about your car, such as the correct service interval, the recommended fuel type, the proper engine oil grade, and the meaning of different warning lights. Understanding these things can prevent many problems before they even start. Speaking of warning lights, never ignore them. That check engine light is not just decoration on your dashboard. If the oil pressure light comes on, you should stop the car immediately because driving with low oil pressure can destroy the engine. A battery light may mean your car could stop charging and leave you stranded. Ignoring warning lights is one of the fastest way to turn a small issue into an expensive repair. Another very important habit is checking your engine oil regularly. Your engine oil is basically the blood of your engine. If your engine oil level is too low, internal parts will start wearing out quickly. If the oil is dirty or the wrong grade of fuel is used, then it can reduce performance and shorten the life of the engine. Checking it once or twice every 2 to 3 weeks only takes a minute but can save your engine in the long run. Tire pressure is another thing many drivers ignore, but it affects both safety and fuel efficiency. If the pressure is too low, your car consumes more fuel and the tires wear out faster. If the pressure is too high, braking and road grip can become unsafe. Ideally, tire pressure should be checked every 15 days, especially in places with rough road conditions. Many people also believe that cars need to warm up for 10 to 15 minutes before driving, and that might have been true for very old cars, but modern cars do not need that much time for warm-up. Simply start the car, wait around 20 to 30 seconds and then begin driving gently. Long idling only wastes your fuel. For people who drive manual cars, one common mistake is riding the clutch. This means resting your foot lightly on the clutch pedal while driving. Even a small pressure keeps the clutch partially engaged and causes it to wear out faster. Clutch replacement can be expensive, so it is better to either press the clutch fully or release it completely. Another important habit is servicing your car on time. Many owners wait till something breaks down before visiting a service center, but preventive maintenance is always cheaper than repairs. Regular servicing keeps the engine healthy and helps to detect problems early. You should also pay attention to unusual sounds coming from your car. Strange knocking from the engine, sequeling brakes, or suspension noises are usually early warnings. Cars often tell you something is wrong before a major failure happens, so it is always better to check these sounds clearly. Keeping a small emergency kit in your car is also very useful. Items like spare tire, jack, jumper cables, and a basic toolkit can save you during unexpected situations on road. One small breakdown can easily ruin your entire day if you are not prepared. Finally, every car owner should understand their important documents. This includes checking the expiry date of your insurance, keeping your vehicle registration valid, and maintaining necessary certificates required for legal driving. These simple things can help you to avoid unnecessary fines and legal trouble. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries or problems, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to never miss an update from MotorMinds. I will see you in my next video. Till then, happy driving.